everyone, today we are going to be filming, I will be filming for you my kind of work with me, kind of day to day, what I do with Depop and reselling on Depop. So it's going to be pretty basic, nothing fancy, nothing special. I'm just going to be going through showing you I'm creating some new products today, and then I will be just organising, cleaning, doing inventory, taking photos, all that different stuff. Really basic, but hopefully it gives you some inspiration to go out and, you know, do your own, get your own shop going, because I know I really need these videos when I was feeling unmotivated. So I hope this helps someone else, and let's just get on. And I have my little princess tiara on that my boyfriend's mum gave me, and I know you'll probably watch this, so hi. But yeah, I've been wearing it every time I'm not out in public, like all the time, because I like it and it makes me feel pretty, and it matches with my earrings, sort of. Also these earrings, so I'm just going to be doing my makeup now. I already have it on. Because if I don't eat, I'm gonna be really hungry. I have managed to pull together a quite delicious lunch. Let me just show you. Got some crackers, because I'm gluten free. I got some rice crackers, avocado to have those with apple and cheese. It sounds like a weird combo, but it's actually super delicious. And a half of a mango. So, yum 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 yum. And I'll just eat lunch while watching some Depop videos on YouTube, because I find, pardon me, they really help me to, sometimes I'm really struggling with like lingo that day and how to describe my pictures and words to use, and I need inspiration. So I love to watch other Depoppers going about their business, doing their thing on their YouTube channels, and I really enjoy it. To get water. So I find getting water or a drink or something before I really start working and getting into things is really handy, because once I get in the mode for like doing stuff, I kind of become a robot and I forget, like, oh, am I hungry? Oh, do I need water? Oh, do I need to do something else? And I will get very dehydrated, and that's not good. So I like to get water before I start. So what you're seeing right now is a time lapse of a little photo shoot I'm doing for the items that I'm about to upload for the weekend. So something I've been doing recently is measuring the items, even if they are shirts. I normally measure the pants and skirts and things like that, just because waist measurements are a little bit trickier than just wearing a shirt. But I've been measuring all of them, and once I do that, just chuck it in the basket, ready to fold and put away. And this gives me time to look over the item if there needs to be any final cleaning, or if there's a stain or something that's happened, or just yeah, just give me a chance to look the item over, make sure it's in perfect condition. So now I'm just going to be folding that. I'm just going to be putting all the clothes away. I have these weird little like storage cubes that I stack them in, and it's not neat at all. Like, they're folded, they're put away, but it doesn't look pretty, but you know what, it's functional and that's what I'm using. Going to be putting together some jewelry. I'll just put in a little time lapse. I'm just figuring out some new designs, and then I'll show you what I've got. Well, hint. And then I'll show you guys what I've put together. And there is going to be more jewelry coming out for 2020. I'm going to expand the collection, but this is what I've worked on today, and let me know if you guys like it. So this is the current situation on what we've got coming out soon. It is very flower themed, very feminine, very girly, but I'm really enjoying. I really enjoyed making these pieces, and I hope you guys enjoy wearing them when they come out. I've done some modifications to some similar jewelry that I was trial testing, selling, just seeing what people liked. So I've done some modifications, but this is just going to be part of a collection that's going to be coming out in 2020. So let me guys know what you think and which one's your favorite. Thank you for watching. I hope you got inspired by me just doing my thing, doing my day-to-day work, and I hope you guys enjoy. You have a great time doing what you're doing today, and goodbye.